Hey, Sky like to sit in her little rubber ducky at bedtime and play with her little favorite little toy. She don't like no other toys but that little toy and that towel. She love that towel. Hey, Sky. Hey, Mama. Splash the water. Say, woo. Hey. This what she likes to do. Bite on the toy. Hey, Mama. And do her own little thing. Hey, say splish splash, I was taking a bath. Woo! Woo! Look at your towel. Look, Mama. Look at her humming. I guess it tastes good. Oh, hey, Stinker. Hey. Hey, look at your little towel that you like. Look. Woo, look. She getting it on. Look. Here, Mama. Woo, look. Here. She's tearing it up. Hey, Sky. Sky be in her own little world, doing her own thing. I guess it tastes real good. Hey, Sky. Yeah. Tastes good, Mama? Them bubbles taste good, huh? Look at your towel. Look, here. Look at your towel, Stink.